Are you looking for furniture for your home? Unique minimalist design? With quality wood material? It's right if you choose a folding reclining chair for your living room that you can only find at Jepara Gallery. In the coloring process or finishing process, we always emphasize to always match the color of your home interior. It is very important for us to inform you. Generally, the use of dark colors is most in demand, such as Salak Brown, dark brown or black matte. But don't rule out the possibility if you want to bring out the color of the wood grain with a natural touch of teak. We deliberately limit product details and information written in website articles as company secrets. In addition, so that the quality of production quality is always maintained, if you want further consultation, you can contact us via the contact provided or WhatsApp. The price of the folding chaise longue that we sell to you is the price of the manufacturer directly from Jepara. This is what makes the price of Jepara Gallery cheap without compromising on quality. We are not only a Jepara furniture shop, but produce it directly. So what are you waiting for? This is a golden opportunity and don't let it go. Have the original Jepara minimalist folding lazy chair product that will make your home more beautiful.